Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your calendar and sheet use the same Google account. This avoids permission headaches later. Open a blank or existing Google Sheet and name the tab where events will land so you have structure. Once done, open extensions app script in the sheet to author the import. You'll grant script permissions, so make sure you're comfortable with that. This immediate setup gets you into the code environment and prevents cross-account errors before importing events. You paste a small app script that uses Calendar app to fetch events, then writes columns like start, end, title, and description to your sheet. In the code, set the calendar ID and a date range so you only pull relevant events. This saves time and API calls. Save the script, then run it once to trigger the authorization dialog. Grant the requested scopes. Make sure to check the target sheet name in the code so data goes to the correct tab. You finish by automating the import. In app script, choose triggers and add a time-driven trigger, for example daily at 6:00 a.m. or every hour. This keeps your sheet current without manual runs. If rows don't appear, make sure the calendar ID and sheet tab name match exactly, and confirm your date range isn't excluding events. One key troubleshooting tip: check the script execution log for permission errors and reauthorize the script. That fixes most silent failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.